times 1/10 times negative 4 and 3/10. Oh, was that my? Oh no. Like that was pretty close to one.
Bless you. Goodness.
What can you tell me about my problem just in the 5 and 1/10 times negative 4 and 3/10? What do you already know about your answer, the problem, how we're going to solve it? What do you know?
No.
Tell!
Your answer is going to be negative.
Good. My answer is definitely going to be negative. Answer will be negative. Why, Sophia?
Because you're taking away because you're adding negatives.
Good. I'm adding 5 and 1/10 groups of negative 4 and 3/10. So I'm adding 5 whole groups of negative 4 and 3/10 and then a part of a group. Does that make sense? Okay, so I'm adding 5 whole groups, because that's my whole number, 5 whole groups of negative 4 and 3/10, but then I'm going to add another 1/10 of a group of negative 4 and 3/10. What else can you tell me about my problem besides my answer is going to be negative?
Well, they're both bigger than 1. So your answer is
All right, so my answer is going to be bigger than 5. Okay, so my answer is going to be greater than 5 because you're multiplying by a number greater than 1. Let's see if I can make that a little better. Because you're multiplying by a number greater than 1. And I also know that it's going to be greater than 4 because I'm multiplying by a number less, or greater than 1. Okay, now, I need to be a little clearer about this because technically it's going to be greater than the absolute value of my answer is going to be greater than 5, greater than 4. Because my answer is going to be negative. So technically, is it going to be more than 5?
No.
Or more than 4? No, but the absolute value of my answer is going to be greater than 5, greater than 4. Okay? About where would you expect my answer to be? Because we should always be estimating. About where or how big or how small do you think my answer is going to be?
stop the butter. Negative 20.
Good. So if I estimate, it's going to be about 5 times negative 4, so it's going to be around negative 20-ish. That's what I'm expecting. Is there anything else you can tell me about my answer? Maybe how many place values are after the decimal?
Oh, wait.
Maybe.
Well, there's 2 numbers behind decimals, so the answer should be, if it's around negative 20, then it should be like number, decimal, number. Like the decimal should be in front of decimal.
All right, so 2 numbers after decimal. Okay. Everybody agree with everything we're thinking about our answer? So when you have a classwork that says, what can you tell me about this problem, you'd be able to rattle all these off for me. We'll have a little more practice, but this would be what I'm expecting. Whether your answer will be positive or negative. Is it going to be more than 5, less than 5? More than 4, less than 4? Estimate what it would be about and how many place values after the decimal. Yes? Clear on expectations?
Clear.
All right, now that we've done all that work, let's do the actual work. 5 and 1/10 times 4 and 3/10. Okay. Our decimals just happen to line up, but do we just move our decimal point down? No, don't just move it down. 3 times 1 is? 3 times 5 is? 15. I'm going to move over to the 4, but what do I need to do before I move over to the 4?
Add a 0.
Add a 0. 4 times 1 is? 4 times 5 is?
20.
3 plus 0 is? 5 plus 4 is? 1 plus 0 is? 2 plus nothing is? Okay. Now, where is the only logical place to put my decimal right now? Where is the only logical place? In between the 1 and the 9. And then I can check that. Are there 2 numbers after my decimal?
Yes.
Yeah. Am I done? Can I box my answer now?
I have 2 things.
You may not.
Why may I not box my answer yet? What else do I need to do?
Oh.
I have to make my problem negative. So negative 21 and 93 hundredths.
It was close to what our estimate.
Good. And it is close to our estimate, so we can make sure we check our work. Awesome. Any questions on example 1? That was only example 1. I know.
How many examples?
All right. I'm about to turn the page. So is everybody okay with those notes?
Yeah. Wait, we don't have to. Let me sharpen my pencil.
Use it, Alex.